How's everybody doing? So I thought I'd make a quick video. This is more of a not a scalp day trade video. It's more of a um, longer term video explaining my analysis, my TA on BTC in the next coming weeks, maybe months. I do see a bit of a topping structure happening here, which we've seen before. We've got 5 waves up clearly, and we could be looking at a pullback coming very, very soon. I have seen these sort of patterns before, these trend patterns, and it does look like distribution. Could we go up higher? Yes, we can. This is Monday's high, I believe, and we still haven't really claimed that high, and we could wick through that. We can trap some long positions in that area before a continuation down, but overall I am looking for prices to come down. We have the daily point of control at approximately 97, so that could act as support, but if we lose that level, it's more likely we're going to come and fill a lot of inefficiencies that we have in this range here, which is from 97 to 84, and if we lose 84, then we're coming back to the 70 zones clearly. Would you short here? Personally, I can't make that decision for you. You have to do your own research and your own analysis. I am currently looking into shorting Bitcoin, but I'm gonna be a bit patient and gonna see how price action develops today, which is the 16th of May, into the weekend. Would I scale into a short position? Well, that really depends on your risk management. If you're going to take a swing short and targeting 97 or 84, you could scale into it. But I can't make that decision for you. I can only do what I want to do according to my risk management. We could actually collapse and come back and get rejected, which would be a safer entry for a short position. I know where I will be shorting, and I have a trading plan, and I'm going to stick to that plan. So, yeah, we do see topping structures, and we are going to realistically need a pullback, because whenever we have a sharp move up, we always come back down. It always happens with BTC. On the lower time frame, I'm using Atos today, so I'm just working on some development stuff on Atos, some templates, etc., which are going to be available for my members. So on the daily time frame, the other thing is we didn't actually take out Monday's low. On the hourly time frame, we didn't actually take out Monday's low. So from a day trading point of view, we do have this wick that wasn't filled, and also this one. A lot of front running happening here on BTC. So if you followed me on X, I did give you some trade setups, trade ideas, or setups, whatever you want to class them, and they all have worked out quite good. But like I said, the volume is very, very low, and we are looking at a more of a distribution. This really just looks like distribution. Some may say it looks like accumulation. Yeah, okay. What, accumulation in the premium section, yeah, of the range? I doubt it. So like I said, we do have a lot of inefficiencies, fair value gaps underneath us, a lot of liquidity underneath us, but we also have liquidity on the top as well, but we have more liquidity underneath us. Right, let's have a look at the lower time frames. Right, okay. So yesterday I did take a long position in this zone here, which was about 103 because I saw a lot of exhaustion on the sellers. Saw some trapped short positions, and we did come back up. Um, where I've just taken profit approximately here because I have things to do today. So we could we could come back down and test the 1037 zone for one more continuation up, maybe into the weekend. Hold the price there and dump it on Sunday. That's what may happen. So yeah, I don't like this zone anymore. I'm gonna be honest. I probably won't be taking any more trades. Like I said, I have a short strategy, and I'm going to stick to that strategy for now. For a day trade, I've done very, very well this week, so there's no point of giving back to the markets. I mean, this range is done. It's done. It really, really is done. So I mean, how much more time do you want to stay here? It really is done. I mean, we can wick up, we can wick down, we can wick down to come wick up. The market makers have made it very, very difficult to be in this range, and unless you're using order flow like myself, it's easy to get into scalps and get out of scalps. So if you want to learn that, let me know. You can follow me on X, DM me there, or Telegram. But for a swing position, nah, it's it's done. This range is cooked. Cooked. Completely cooked. I don't see us staying long from in this range, and I think we're going to need some data or some catalyst either to move the price back down, um, maybe a tweet, who knows. But before we come down, I have a suspicion we may tap one more time into 105 106 zone, where I will be looking for some shorts if I'm not already in a short. It doesn't look good, guys. I mean, I mean, when I say it doesn't look good, I'm not bearish and I'm not bullish. I'm just looking at the structure, So, I understand liquidity, I understand market making, I understand how the market makers make money. So I understand the behavior of this, and it's very easy to understand the behavior. Yeah. Um, let's have a look at something else. Yeah, we did find good support on the Anchored View app. Like I said, I mean, if you have a look at this, the way I'm looking at it right now, it does look like we want to continue up. Clearly, it does. But on a larger time frame, and the way accumulation and distribution works, every move up is going to be a distribution move. So, can we get to 107, 108? Yeah, of course we can. Does that mean we're going to 150? No, I don't think so. Because looking at other data on the blockchain and other order flow data, it clearly shows we can really assess the relationship between the bids and the asks. It clearly shows distribution, not accumulation. And anyone that's telling you that's your fanboys, your moon boys, your favorite YouTubers that are telling you it's distribution and we're gonna go here, we're gonna go there, we're gonna go. All right, whatever. Yeah, all right. Yeah, I'm going to stick to my analysis. You can do your own research. This is not any financial advice or anything that I'm giving you. There's an area clearly we can see where to short, and any long positions are going to be day trades based on order flow. Simple as that. And if you get your head around those two things, you're going to be successful every day. And when I do short Bitcoin, I'm going to short Ethereum and all the altcoins as well. And because we have to have a look at some macro situations as well, which I don't want to go into really. This is to do with price action. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys. If you'd if you'd like more information, daily information, it's free. You can join my Telegram where I do provide daily setups, information, and if you want to learn more about order flow and how to use that to your advantage, just contact me. My email address is in the YouTube description, and so is the Telegram, and you can follow me on X. One thing I wanted to point out is here's a new exchange that I'm testing, and one thing I do like about this exchange is the fees. I mean, I'm used to using other exchanges which do have lower fees, but they have latency issues. This exchange does not have any latency, and that's very important for a scalper. I love the way it's UI on the app, and uh, the way we don't have any fees and we can just scalp through the ranges very fast. The execution speed is very fast. It reminds me of some some other MT5 platforms that I use. So yeah, I will be doing a review on this exchange soon. I'm just testing a few things. So yeah, check out this exchange. If you do click on my link which is in the description of this video, you will get extra bonuses, and you'll also get a invitation to join my VIP club where I do cover altcoins and various other assets, because I do use a lot of AI to analyze what's going on in the altcoin market, and you can take day trades on altcoins using order flow and without order flow as well. So if you want to take advantage of that information and trade setups, this is a non-KYC exchange. You can open this, send me your UID number, and I'll give you the entrance to the VIP club. Okay, but I will be doing a review on this. So far I'm pretty impressed. I've used it for about 24 hours, just messing around, scalping BTC. I love the execution speed. Like I said, the latency. Latency is a big thing for me, because I have a lot of copy trading platforms, and I'm quite impressed. Quite impressed with this. And the fees. The fees are crazy. It's like there is no fees. Yeah, I'm impressed.